Chapter 11 of the Bhagavad Gita, titled Vishwarupa Darshana Yoga, presents one of the most profound moments in the text. The revelation of Krishna's cosmic form to Arjuna. This chapter explores the nature of divinity, the interconnectedness of all existence, and the awe-inspiring aspects of God that transcend human understanding. The chapter begins with Arjuna expressing his desire to see Krishna's universal form, having been inspired by Krishna's previous revelations about his divine glories. Arjuna seeks to witness the essence of God that encompasses all creation, destruction, and sustenance. This request signifies Arjuna's deep yearning for understanding and connection with the divine. Krishna responds to Arjuna's request by revealing that the cosmic form is not easily perceived by ordinary beings. He emphasizes that such a vision requires divine grace and purity of heart. Only through sincere devotion and surrender can one hope to grasp the vastness of God's essence. This prepares Arjuna for the profound experience that is about to unfold. As Krishna grants Arjuna the divine vision, Arjuna is overwhelmed by the sight of the cosmic form. He witnesses countless faces, arms, and eyes, representing the infinite manifestations of divinity. The spectacle is both awe-inspiring and terrifying, showcasing the duality of creation and destruction inherent in the universe. Arjuna perceives that Krishna embodies all beings and forms, underscoring the idea that everything exists within the divine. In his cosmic form, Krishna reveals the simultaneous unity and diversity of creation. Arjuna sees the entire universe contained within Krishna, illustrating that all life and matter are interconnected through the divine essence. This realization brings a profound sense of humility as Arjuna understands the limits of human perception compared to the infinite nature of God. As Arjuna gazes upon the cosmic form, he sees the terrifying aspects of divinity. Beings being devoured, the forces of nature in chaos, and the overwhelming presence of death. This revelation emphasizes the impermanence of life and the ultimate truth of existence. Everything that is born must eventually perish. Arjuna is struck by the reality of mortality and the transient nature of all things. In this moment of profound insight, Arjuna acknowledges Krishna's supreme authority and power. He realizes that all actions, beings, and destinies are governed by the divine will. This understanding fosters a sense of surrender within him, as he recognizes that he is merely a part of the greater cosmic play. Overwhelmed by the experience, Arjuna expresses his fear and reverence. He acknowledges his insignificance in the face of such immense power and wisdom. This humility is crucial for spiritual growth, as it encourages individuals to let go of ego and pride, fostering a deeper connection with the divine. Krishna then reassures Arjuna, reminding him that while the cosmic form embodies both creation and destruction, it is ultimately rooted in love and compassion. He encourages Arjuna to see beyond the terrifying aspects of divinity and recognize the underlying essence of love that permeates all. This message emphasizes that the ultimate purpose of existence is to cultivate love and devotion. Krishna also highlights the importance of devotion in experiencing the divine. He explains that those who approach him with unwavering faith and love will be able to understand his true nature. This reinforces the idea that knowledge of the divine is not just intellectual. It is rooted in personal experience and heartfelt connection. As the vision of the cosmic form concludes, Krishna returns to his human form, reassuring Arjuna that he can approach him in a way that is accessible and relatable. This transition underscores the idea that the divine is both transcendent and immanent, existing in forms that individuals can relate to while also encompassing the entirety of creation. Arjuna's experience culminates in a profound sense of gratitude and devotion. He acknowledges Krishna as the ultimate reality and the source of all beings. This recognition leads Arjuna to express his willingness to surrender completely to Krishna, affirming his role as a devoted disciple. His transformation from confusion to clarity exemplifies the spiritual journey of realization and surrender. The chapter concludes with Krishna emphasizing the importance of sharing this divine knowledge with others. He encourages Arjuna to spread the teachings of the Gita, highlighting that true wisdom is meant to be shared for the benefit of all. This call to action reflects the interconnectedness of all beings and the role of compassion in spiritual practice. Throughout Vishwarupa Darshana Yoga, the themes of humility, devotion, and the interconnectedness of all existence resonate deeply. Krishna's teachings inspire individuals to recognize the divine presence in their lives and foster a loving relationship with God. By understanding the cosmic form, seekers can transcend their limitations and experience the fullness of life. In summary, Chapter 11 of the Bhagavad Gita offers a transformative exploration of the nature of divinity through the vision of the cosmic form. It teaches that the divine encompasses both the awe-inspiring and the terrifying aspects of existence. By cultivating devotion and surrender, individuals can access the deeper truths of reality and realize their place within the cosmic order. The teachings in this chapter remind us that while we may be small in the grand scheme of things, we are nevertheless integral parts of the divine tapestry. The realization of this interconnectedness fosters a sense of unity, compassion, and reverence for all beings. Ultimately, Vishwarupa Darshana Yoga serves as a profound reminder of the infinite nature of God and the transformative power of love and devotion. Through this understanding, seekers are encouraged to embrace their spiritual journey with humility and openness, seeking the divine in every aspect of their lives.